Starting keto and don't know what to cook? Here's a free collection of easy keto recipes for beginners that will save you time, stress, and cravings. Most women I talk to have tried diets that left them tired, hungry, and frustrated. And honestly, that's because the recipes were boring, complicated, or impossible to stick with. That's why I created this free guide. Inside, you'll find 15+ keto-friendly recipes like broccoli cheese soup, cozy, creamy, and low-carb, grilled salmon salad with herbs and chilies, fresh and filling, oven-baked chicken nuggets, crispy, kid-approved, white chocolate almond protein cookies, a sweet treat without the guilt. Each recipe is quick, simple, and made with everyday ingredients. And here's what makes this guide different. Every recipe comes with a full shopping list, so you'll know exactly what to buy. No guesswork, no wasted food. Plus, I've included simple swaps. So even if a classic dish calls for carbs, you'll see the keto-friendly version right beside it. Women using this guide are already loving it. Diana said, "The recipes are easy and the shopping lists make it simple." Ellen said, "I'm finally losing weight and I feel much better." Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below this video and download your free keto recipes guide today. It's fast, simple, and 100% free. And don't miss the flourless carrot cake recipe inside. It's rich, satisfying, and totally low carb. Download your free copy now before you forget.